Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Today we're going to talk about this M140. The reason why we put this one out and have a quick conversation about it on a vlog is we've now done over 1,000 spring kits of the Eibach Motech Stance. Actually 1,073 if I'm being honest. It was a collaboration we did with Eibach a number of years ago. I actually developed on my 235i, which was a 20mm kit, and the 10mm kit was their normal Eibach Pro. Fitted to the car, never sat right. We developed the spring kit. 25 front, 20 rear, and now 1,000 plus kits later on. They're still going strong, would you believe? I think we've got another 3 more booked in this week. Kit looks perfect. Combined with a 12mm front and 50mm space, it's just perfect. And the Eibach spring rate, they're just nailed. If you want a spring kit that's really complementary for UK roads, very comfortable, very usable, this is the perfect setup. And actually this car's had the B8 dampers to just enhance that even more. I can't believe we've done 1,000 of these, and looking back onto the history as well, I've done over 350 of the Stance Plus kit, which is a slightly lower drop, which is a 30 front, 25 rear, slightly higher spring rate. So if you want a car to feel a bit more sort of like it's lowered, a bit more of a firmer feeling, then that's a spring kit for you. But what an advantage we have to be able to have this in today, just sort of take a pictures and a bit of a vlog for it. So we just walk around the spec of the car. It's been dropped 25 front, 20 rear Eibach Motech Stance, 12 15mm spacers, black Motech AM badges, full maxed in kit, front sides, top spoiler, M4 style mirror caps, our unique exclusive, should we also say, Motech intake system for pipe across with the heat shield and the gold heatproof tape, just to try and stop a bit of heat soak. Heat soak is always a bit of a conversation. We don't actually really get too much heat soak when you're physically driving down the road. You might get in a bit of traffic, but what a phenomenal system. And as you can probably tell by the B-roll, they sound awesome. This is a later car, 2019, so it has the OPF filters, it has the mid-res Delise Remus race rear box with the carbon tailpipes. Nice contrast against the Ryger gloss black rear diffuser. So we wanted you to be able to just grab the car, explain to you 1,000 plus spring kits. That gives you an idea of how popular the kit is for us. And I'd like to do another video when we reach 2,000. So let us know what so far you think of this lovely Imola red M13, Melbourne red should I say, M140. Thanks a lot.